Thank you to the almost 36,000 teachers that cast a vote on the Mediators Report. This is a record voter turnout for the profession, underscoring the importance and urgency teachers across the province placed on the Mediators Report. Teachers have spoken and rejected the Mediators' recommended terms of settlement. Next, we will enter a 14-day cooling-off period. In the coming days, the association will hold a town hall meeting to inform members of next steps, and a strike authorization vote will follow. Please stay informed by regularly checking the ATA website for updates. Now more than ever, unity among teachers is critical. We care deeply about our students' learning conditions, which are our working conditions. In the coming weeks, our solidarity will be our strength. It's time to put aside differences and focus on the collective task before us. Our unity is our greatest asset, and it will be key to achieving the improvements we all know are necessary for public education in Alberta. So let's stand firm, united in our resolve, and unwavering in our commitment to our profession and our students. Together we are stronger, together we can achieve the change we envision. As we move forward, let's do so with unity, respect, and determination. Thank you.